Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Windows Defender Start Actions Not Working Fixed. First method is type File Explorer Options in Windows search bar, click File Explorer Options. Click View tab, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, click Apply, click OK. Open File Explorer, open C Drive, open Program Data folder. Open Microsoft, open Windows Defender, Scans folder. Open History folder, open Service folder. Delete Detection History folder. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software, click and expand Policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows Defender. Delete Disable Anti-Spyware DWORD. Restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scanum. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.